If you're looking to trigger workflows instantly when a form is submitted, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step. And I promise by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to set it up, no matter what software you're using. So first things first, let's talk about the basics. You're going to need a form, whether it's a contact form, a registration form, or something else. And you need to make sure that once it's submitted, your workflow kicks off automatically. Whether you're using this for lead generation, email marketing, or any other task, this can save you so much time. Now you can use a variety of software for this, but I'll be showing you exactly how to do this in the software we'll be using. What's great about this software is it integrates with forms and lets you trigger workflows on submission. And I've tried most of the popular options out there. It works like a charm. Here's how it's done. First, log into the software we're using and navigate to your automation or workflow section. It's usually called automation, workflows, or something similar. Next, create a new workflow. This will be the blueprint for the action you want to trigger. Now, here's the important part. Select form submission as the trigger event. This will ensure that the workflow starts whenever someone submits a form. Once that's done, you'll need to link the form to the workflow. Most of these software platforms allow you to select specific forms, so you'll be able to pick the one you want to use. This will ensure that the workflow is triggered by the exact form you're interested in. After linking the form, you'll need to define the actions. These are the tasks that will happen when the form is submitted. You can add actions like sending an email, adding a contact to a CRM, or even updating a database. This is where the magic happens. Be specific about what you want the system to do, because once the form is submitted, it all runs automatically from here. A quick tip: be sure to test your form submission before going live. It's always a good idea to submit the form yourself to make sure that the workflow triggers properly. If there's any issue, check the form integration and make sure your triggers are correctly set up. Now, why should you care about this? Triggering workflows instantly when a form is submitted doesn't just automate repetitive tasks, it helps you respond faster, reduces human error, and allows you to focus on more important things like building your business. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we're using. It's available only to viewers of my channel, and you can follow along with this tutorial step by step. Key takeaway: triggering workflows when a form is submitted is all about setting up your form, linking it to your workflow, and choosing the right actions. It's quick, simple, and can save you a ton of time. To quickly recap: 1. Set up your form. 2. Create a workflow with the form submission trigger. 3. Define your actions. And 4. Test everything to make sure it works. Again, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.